Welcome to TBK Career Point. This is a Trailhead Challenge. Maintain your administrator certification for Spring 24. So in this challenge, student can able to understand after completing this unit. These are the objective: add fields from related objects to dynamic forms, enabled pages, use dynamic actions with standard objects on mobile, explore new intelligence views for leads, contacts and account. See which leads are engaging and views. Get a full view of account health with the account intelligent view. So after st- studying these all objectives, we have to solve some quiz. You need to go through all the points and we need to solve the quiz. So it is for 100 points. Which feature allow an admin to set filters based on user fields so that specific actions are visible only. So with the help of dynamic actions, so which type of view is now available for leads, contacts and accounts? Intelligent view is there. After tuning on the leading intelligent view, what additional step must an admin take for users to see it? So I hope it is add the intelligent view to lead the list view in setup. So how does a user return to the original list view from contact view? So it is click the list button menu. So in the intelligent view, how does a user view insights an account? And navigate to intelligence view, click card name. So I hope these are the answers. Let us see. So yes, it is correct. So uh, this is the quiz answers. So remaining challenges already there in the channel, you can see it. Thank you.